Good afternoon. I have a new board that I want to show you how to season, and we're going to do the Joy to the World transfer this afternoon. So welcome to Beth's Classy Chalking. Okay, I have the Aiden 9x12 frame and chalkboard that came, and because this is a metal chalkboard, when you first get it you need to season it, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you just take a piece of chalk and rub it on the surface, just like you season a pan when you first get it. This is how we do this. Okay, once you do the chalk on it, take a soft cloth and we're gonna wipe it off. And that's all there is to that. Okay, now we're ready for our transfer. So I am using the Joy to the World transfer. The O is a wreath with berries. And I'm gonna start with the words. I'm gonna lint them up. I have a towel with me. I'm gonna lint by sticking the transfer to the towel to pick up some of the fuzz. That takes some of the sticky away on the transfer so that it doesn't stick to the board too much. We want it sticky but not too sticky. I'm going to do the same thing to the world part of the transfer. I've cut this transfer up so that I could have the words separate. It helps for moving it around. If you're working with a smaller space, then you can kind of overlap a little. Okay. All right, and I have pre-stirred my bright white paste. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do all my words with white. Looks like that was just enough, but just to be on the safe side, I want to peel it back and make sure. Peel a corner back and see. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. That looks good. There's a little smudge on the J. at the top. I want to see if I can fix that before I